How to use Google Password Manager on your mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can use Google Password Manager. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To use Google Password Manager on your mobile, first you will need to open up your Chrome, locate your Google Chrome, and then open it up. After you're on your Chrome, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then go to your settings. After you're on your settings, find Google Password Manager, then open it up. So from here, you can basically add a password. So if you tap on Add Password, you can then first paste the site's link, enter out your username, then your password, and then tap on the Save button to save it. And that's how you use Google Password Manager on your mobile. You can also do this from your phone setting, and it's pretty simple as well. Go to your settings, find Google. After you're on your Google, you can then tap on All Services. From here, find Autofill. You can see Autofill with Google. Tap on it, choose Google Password Manager, and from here, you're basically on the same page. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use Google Password Manager on your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.